Oh. Oh, give me a second. Hold. Hold. The ad is playing. Oh, goodness gracious. Can I make it like... Okay. Okay. Browser. And then... I kind of messed it up, didn't I? Ah! Okay. How do I... Maybe if I... Okay, I can fix this. I can fix the browser. And then... Easy. Easy. Okay, hold on. Hold it. I'll hold it a little more. We gotta hold a little more. And bang. And... Is this it? Is this... It's a little... It's a little janky. Maybe I shouldn't be trust. You know what? It's good enough. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. I like being a little scuffed anyways. We gotta watch this. Guys.
Lion, tiger, dragon, horse, cock.
Who is this guy?
Fire style. Fireball jutsu.
Hold on.
Whoa!
You might want to back away.
You just created fire.
What the heck is so freaking troll? I can't.
That's what happened.
You didn't listen.
That's either.
This is what happens when you don't listen to Sensei. You become weak.
Oh my god, Crystal, what the heck? 25,000 bits. Ah, thank you, Crystal. Thank you. Oh my god, 25,000 bits.
Sanctification ward on this.
Just
bike.
Like that, we hit level 5.
Sealing my cocker into this bike so that we can go
Crystal,
fast.
Thank you.
Lion, horse, dragon, horse, cock.
Should've
Seal!
Shouldn't we call the doctor?
Yeah, we'll call the ambulance, but not for me.
Yeah, for me, you seem fine.
I want to meet this guy. It's so
Course I'm
freaking
fine.
funny.
Haven't you learned? I'm built different.
It's so oh my god, his body! Oh my god, his body! Where did he go? Though? Where did he go?
Shouldn't we call the doctor?
Yeah, we'll call the ambulance, but not for me.
I don't understand.
Yeah, for me, you seem fine.
Of course I'm fine. Haven't you learned?
I can't.
I'm built different.
I can't. This is so troll. Did he just die like that? Oh my god, he's dead, right? There's no way you live. Oh my god.
I'm built different.
I'm like crying.
Oh, well,
So freaking troll.
poor Among. Toast can't stop laughing.
This is music.
I didn't even know that was Toast. I didn't even know Toast was in the server.
Oh my god.
That's cool. It seems Loser spread his genjutsu onto me. In doing so, I was under the illusion that we'd be fine. But he was so weak when I sealed my cocker into the bike.
Why does he say it
Had
like
no
that?
effect. Because of that, I lie on this cold, hard ground.
Why does he say it like that?
Agony. But we won't let this be the end of us.
Ah, not the ad! Not pandas. They need our help. The pandas. Oh God, I'm sorry. Oh my God.
There's no doctors. They can't find my body. There's no way the ambulance saves us here. Am I dying?
Wait, can you not just like revive after the time is like done? I don't get. I don't really play, so I don't really know.
He just. Jenna,
Is he just dead this whole time? 911. I did that before. I did do that before. You have to wait for EMS.
Help!
Is that
Help.
EMS?
Up here. Hello. Up here. Help. Oh, they're carrying him. I can see him.
Another one of me. Up there.
What's up there?
Yeah, you should see him. He kind of blends
God,
into the environment, but he's up there.
Yes, get closer. Help. Help me. Sensei.
Only issue is I don't think we're gonna be able to get him.
Try to rotate over to the right.
What is this?
Okay. I'm jumping out.
Go.
Okay. Oh God.
Yep. That's what I was worried about.
Okay. I'm jumping out.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Okay. Oh God!
Oh my God! The EMS!
That's what I was worried about.
Oh my God! No way! No way! No way! Oh my God! That's so tragic! His friend is just like, oh yeah, that's what I was worried about, just so casually. Oh yeah. Ah, not another ad, not another ad. I don't need this. What is going on here? That doesn't even make sense.
Was a spider when I jumped out.
Oh no.
It's okay. I'm built different. Leave it to me.
Yeah. I believe in you. You got this.
Believe it.
Oh God.
He may not be my friend. Friends only get in the way in the path of vengeance. To this weak.
Anyways, yeah, that was pretty much it. I think they're just trying to get him that entire time, but I thought that was freaking hilarious. I was dead watching that. It was freaking way too good. Elizabeth777, thank you for 3 months. Balance Boxing